말씀으로 세상을 치유하는 SLC.
Hallelujah. This is the voice of wilderness. The word of God from Genesis 1, verse 2 says, "The earth was without form and void, and darkness was over the face of the deep. And the Spirit of God was hovering over the face of the waters." It describes the earth as being formless before the creation of light, yet primitive, yet no order, yet in chaos. Then we read void. That means no content was established, and there was a complete emptiness before the light was created. On the first day, the absolute emptiness of the earth teaches that God established and filled the earth. This is the picture of our spiritual lives. Before we receive our life's goal, meaning, worth, and direction in Jesus Christ, no matter how much knowledge or materials we strive to gain, or how diligently we work to accomplish in our lives, still it would remain a life absolutely empty and void. The famous actress Marilyn Monroe, who was at one time well known, loved, and admired by many people in the world, was found one morning having committed suicide. She had everything and anything she wanted, from bathing in milk instead of water to becoming mistress of the present. Still, this iconic star had no way to fill the void enough and could not bear it, only to end her own life. Today, there are many who live like the Samaritan woman at the well, who toiled day after day to draw waters from this earth that would still leave them thirsty, and still search for food to fill the void enough that they will strive from early morning to late in night, only for a temporary fill that will never last. Even at this moment, here in New York area, we cannot even imagine the number of lives without form and void, desperate and in despair. To find some kind of relief, they may drink, gamble, dance, or do drugs. This is like a person gulping down water from ocean to quench his thirst, only to bring greater danger on himself. Prophet Isaiah wrote, "Behold, God is my salvation. With joy you will draw water from the wells of salvation." Today, believe in Jesus, draw from the well of his salvation, and it will fill you with lasting joy. Hallelujah.
SLC.